Hi, I'm Annabelle Williams from Fine & Country Leamington Spa, here with your market update for October. We're beginning to see new COVID restrictions being put into place in the UK. Despite this, the housing market still continues to look optimistic and demand is still outweighing supply. Since the start of the year, buyer demand is up 39% according to Zoopla year on year, with over 84,000 mortgages being approved in August, which is a 28.9% increase. Newly agreed sales are up 3%, which is pretty impressive considering the pause during lockdown. Nationwide reported an annual increase of 5% in house prices in September and a 0.9% monthly increase. Prime properties, which we specialise here at Fine & Country, have seen the largest increase in buyer demand, with 4-bedroom detached properties increasing by 104% in August, when compared with last year, with the average prime property selling at £1,039,950. Looking more locally, the West Midlands has seen an increase in 0.9% in the average property prices in the last 12 months, and an increase in average pound per square foot value from £317 to £319 since September's market update. The average sale price over the last 12 months has increased from around £619,000 to around £625,000. There is still a promising outlook for the future with house prices and sales. RICS have reported that 22% of agents expect prices to increase in the next 3 months and 27% expect prices to increase in the next 12 months, especially for homes with gardens situated to outdoor spaces and home offices. This means that if you're thinking of selling, it's a great time to get your property on the market. If you'd like a free valuation, please do get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.